Standard 6 Geography Lesson 2. Let us use gratitude. Question and answer. Question A. Put a tick mark against the correct option in the space given. Number 1. 66 degree 30 minute north parallel means. Answer Arctic Circle. Second. Which parallel bisect the earth? Answer Equator. What is the angular distance of the Arctic Circle from North Pole? Answer 23 degree 30 minute. Fourth one, where do the prime meridian and the equator intersect each other? Answer Atlantic Ocean. Question 5. Up to which parallel from the equator can the sun rays be perpendicular? Answer Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn. Question 6. What would be the latitude of a place on the South Pole? Answer is 90 degrees south. Question B. Read the following sentences and correct the wrong one. First one. First sentence. While describing the location of the place, mentioning the meridian is sufficient. Statement is wrong. Correct statement is while describing the location of the place, mentioning the meridian as well as the parallel is essential. Second. For describing the extent of the region, it is necessary to assume the latitude and the longitude of the center of the adjoining region. Statement is wrong. Correct statement. For describing the extent of the region, it is necessary to assume two latitudes and two longitudes at the extreme end of the region. Third one, the location of the road can be described only with the map. Wrong. Location of the road can be described by the map as well as GIS, GPS, etc. Question fourth, 0 degree meridian, 0 degree east meridian and 180 degree east meridian. Statement is wrong. It is 0 degree meridian and 180 degree meridian. Fifth one, the extent of the road or the river can course. The extent of the road or the river course is described with the help of the latitude of a point in the source and the longitude of a point at the end. Wrong. The extent of the road or a river course is described with the help of the latitude of a point as well as the longitude of a point in a source and the longitude of a point as well as the latitude of a point at the end. 6.1. 0 degree 4-minute north parallel to 37 degree 66 degree north parallel is the correct description of a location. Wrong. 8 degree 4-minute north parallel to the 37 degree 66 minute north parallel is incomplete description of a location as it is express only a latitudinal spread of a location. Question C. Find out the location of the following cities from the world map, a map of India or a globe, and write down the latitude and extent of each of them. Mumbai, 90 degree north latitude and 70 degree east longitude. Second, Guwahati, 26 degree north latitude and 91 degree east longitude. Srinagar, 34 degree north latitude and 75 degree east longitude. Bhopal, 23 degree north latitude and 77 degree east longitude. Chennai, 13 degree north latitude and 80 degree east longitude. Ottawa, 45 degree north latitude and 76 degree east latitude. Tokyo, 36 degree north latitude and 140 degree east longitude. Johannesburg, 26 degrees south latitude and 28 degree east longitude. New York, 41 degree north latitude and 74 degree west longitude. London, 52 degree north latitude and 0 degree 8 minute west longitude. Find and write down the extent of the following. Maharashtra, 16 degree and 3 minute north latitude to 22 degree north latitude and 72 degree east longitude to 81 degree east longitude. Child, a country, 60 degree south latitude to 56 degree south latitude and 70 degree 40 minute west longitude to 70 degree west longitude. Australia, 10 degree 41 minute south latitude to 43 degree 38 minute south latitude and 113 degree 09 minute east longitude to 153 degree 38 minute east longitude. Question D. Find and write down the extent of the following. Sri Lanka, 6 degree 48 north latitude to 9 degree 50 minute north latitude and 79 degree 40 second east longitude to 81 degree 45 minute east longitude. Trans-Siberian Railway of Russia, 59 degree north latitude to 43 degree north latitude and 30 degree east longitude to 132 degree east longitude. Draw the important parallels and the meridian in the figure given below and label them with an appropriate angular measurement. Here are the important latitudes are here, that is equator, Tropic of Cancer on the north, tropic Arctic Circle, North Pole, and Tropic of Capricorn on the south, and Antarctic Circle and South Pole. Question F. Write the important parallel and meridian in the following table. So important parallels are Arctic Circle, Tropic of Cancer, equator, Tropic of Capricorn, and Antarctic Circle. Important meridian, prime meridian, and 180 degree meridian. That's it. Thank you very much. Please like and subscribe my channel if you like it. Thank you.